lovers. This is Dr. Aradhana Pandey from Doggy World. The most common question these days that we receive is, can corona be spread from the pets to the human beings or the vice versa? And what precautions need to be taken while we take out our pets for a walk? So the answer is no. Corona cannot be spread from the human beings to the pets and the vice versa. There has been till date no documented evidence that proves that corona can spread from pets to human beings or the reverse way. As far as the precautions are concerned, there are certain things that we need to take care while taking our pets out. The first thing is, we should not let anyone touch our puppy or pamper it while we are taking it out for a walk. Second thing is, they should not be allowed to roll on the ground or the grass. They should not be taken at a dirty place. And last but not the least, once they are coming back home, their paws should be clean with a normal antiseptic or a mild sanitizer, and they should not be allowed to lick it till the time it is moist. Thank you.